And I spelled wait wrong. Dang it. Oh. What's up, guys? Hey, I'm gonna give a big shout out to this guy. And yeah, so I'm playing with my friend right now. His name is Awesome Sausage 37, and we are big friends. I know him from school. And the 3 cotton. Don't know, apparently. Yep, this is my friend right here. Yay! So, right now, I am with my best and most favoriteest friend of them all. Right, we're cops. We can go through anything. I forgot. Sure, sit in a chair. Big shout out to this guy. Help. Whoa, hurry up. So right now I'm going to try to get the copper key. Nah, I'm not going to go there. So, ow! Ow, I'm fine now. So, please something good! Yay! Holy mother lag. Oh. Right, it shows them. Holy. Nope. Holy God, I am lag. Oh, why is my video lag? Oh. Dang. Oh. So. Still running. So right now.
Gee, I asked if you could click both of these.
Oh, I only clicked one because I was starting my video and my friend was on. Ooh, this noob. Noob.
You're not showing both, Caden. Caden.
Huh.
You're not showing both.
I know. I'm recording right here.
But you're not showing your face.
I know. So right now...
Come and get a house of cops.
What the heck?
Come and get a house of cops.
Come to the House of Cops.
Come to get the house of cops.
Or the...
The station.
Where is
Right
that?
now, my brother's automatically clicking without clicking his mouse. And it's off the keyboard.
Ethan Hush. Oh yeah, if you want to know, the Mega Keystone I'm wearing costs 2 Robux. I found it out from my friend. And holy god, I'm lagging!
So, I've lagged more than you and it doesn't bother me.
Ah! Lag! Lag!
I've lagged more than you, Kaden.
Hello, I'm coming to you.
Hello, darling.
Bruh, I passed more than almost all the cups with this in my hand. And once he leaves on me.
Hello, darkness, my
Watch.
old friend. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Because I don't have the freaking face cam. I wish I did.
Ethan Hush. So, free card in yard. I gotta get past them with this, he didn't know I already had a key card.
So you have two key cards?
No, I have one only. Because I haven't pickpocketed him yet.
And Caden's a noob.
Ow!
And Caden's a noob at cops and robbers.
Whatever. At least dang, I'm at 8 minutes.
Wait, Daddy bought you the pro version?
No.
Oh wait, it's the 15-minute one.